before bouncing back up. So I might just chill on that one. OddCAD, I kind of dropped this zone. So I saw a break, retest, it's playing around, came back down to the zone. So it could be bullish and come back up to this area again. But obviously I wanted to kind of come back out here, do a little bounce before the move.
Yeah.
And UJ, I see definitely opportunity for UJ. So saw the zone on the daily. It's bearish right now.
Yep.
Pretty confident the dollar's gonna fall. So I'll probably wait for a confirmation on that. EJ looks like a continuation to this area right here, which is, let's see, 126.7 area, and then GJ. So I marked. I don't know how you did your zone with GJ, but let me know your thoughts on the zone that I drew out. Oh,
Yeah.
so you drew it down
I
further
pretty
down.
much drew it in the daily. That's why it's so small. Because I'm going based off a wick and then a rejection candle.
So you did this right here.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I did it in the 4 hour. Correct.
Well,
Yeah.
I got you. Oh, so you went off of these wicks right here, like down here, and then like that.
Yeah, give or take. Um, my 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 zone is a little bit skinnier than yours, but all in all, yeah, it's that area.
You did something like this super skinny zone like this, down there.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I have right there. Exactly.
Gotcha. Um, yeah, that's fair. Where would you take GJ up to?
Let's see. Let's go to the weekly real quick. Ooh. So this is the second time that it's been up here to this rejection zone area. Um, we had all of this take place right here,
Mm-hmm.
which is essentially a supply zone.
Right.
It's accumulating trades before it makes its true move.
Right.
It's the second time, actually third time that it's tapped up here. So one right here, two, well, actually 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 5 week, and then now we're kind of protruding above it.
Right.
Uh, this is the first candle that is closed above the zone, so I'll
Mm.
take that into consideration. Um, but as far as my target is concerned, I would say maybe 140, 400.
Okay. All right. To the top of that wick. I dig it. I dig it. Um, I think for me, I'm already in Euro odd. I don't have Euro odd. Triple.
Oh, you're gonna love me. Yeah, this is looking good right here. Um, Have some similarity in pattern right here. And then broke up to this area here. Looking for a correction, looking for a correction. And then also to add a little bit of confluence here, we broke a, a little flag formation right here with a possible retest of the horizontal level and the diagonal level.
Right. For sure.
And then let's see what it did as far as Fibonacci. Tapping off the 50. So we'd be looking at possibly 166, 100 based off fibs. 166, 100.
Yeah. I'm in the 165 sixth area. But I did the fib extension versus the traditional fib. But yeah, we're pretty much shooting for the same area.
Okay. Yeah. So you're pretty much looking for the previous high
Yeah.
that took place here. Okay.
So I'm taking it up to right here. This area. Get rid of this.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I'm recording. I've been for like the last 5 minutes.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
So draw my horizontal real quick. So we're on the same page with this pair then, yeah?
Say that again.
We're on the same page with this pair as far as profit target.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
165.5 is definitely going to be my first target.
Perfect.
Where's yours? 165.7.
Yeah, I just went to the top of the candle at that previous high.
I dig it. So it's an extra 20 pips.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody tuning in? Welcome to Global Cap FX. We're keeping it real casual today. Yes, it's our first video, but just want to make sure that you guys see the raw situation where my friend Nate and I we dig into the charts, and I learn probably the best when one, I get verbal, two, I get visual, and I'm not really being explained it, but more so shown it. So hopefully you find some good value in this.
Definitely, most definitely. Um, Euro JPY just it looks really interesting to me, but I'm afraid to get into it because it looks like it already made its move out. It broke out, and do you see this pair right here?
Yeah, I'm peeping it. I'd stay out of, I don't know, JPY pairs. They seem like they've reached their pinnacle.
Oh yeah,
I mean, just from based on both of our analysis, I mean, yeah, we have targets going to the higher side, but because we're at an extreme daily zone where it could be resistance, UJ, we're talking about going down, uh, EJ at a potential level where it could reverse, and then same with GJ.
right. What are your thoughts on odd CAD? I think this could be a big move somewhere because these areas are just being hit on like a lot. So I don't know if you can see my screen still, but
Yeah, I can see it.
we got one over here. We got another one over here, right? And then on the top of the zone, I mean, they just line up perfectly all across the board. We got another one that bounced right here as well. And look where price is at, right? Like it wicked out, coming back down to this daily red price action area.
Mhm.
Um, and since it's sort of broke and it's retesting multiple times, not only up here, but on the daily, I feel like we could potentially have a move to the upside if I wanted to break above the orange though, break above the orange and then bounce off of the orange before
Uh-huh.
I get more excited. But that's just me thinking out loud. What are your thoughts?
I think that'll definitely be a good call to wait until you get above your orange line. And the reason why I'm saying that is because so the last 2 days here, last two daily candles that I have here, without even having to drop down to the hourly, obviously we're in a range. See, like just these last 2 days.
Yeah, yeah.
So, like you said, um, if you're looking for a long position, wait till you get above that level. What price is that anyway at your orange level?
That is 95,264 to be exact.
Okay. My Me being devil's advocate real quick, I I'm looking at this level right here before price went to the upside,
Mhm.
and you know,
Yeah,
wick, left, wick, then came back up. Now we're below it.
right.
So that's why it's a good idea for you to wait till you get above that that line, because right now we just don't know.
You're looking you're looking bearish from a bigger standpoint, right? I mean, it is. I mean, overall, if we go to the daily and kind of zoom out, big picture, I've been bearish for a really long time, but every time it freaking we say something about bearish, it just continues to go up like the stock market. But I
Back.
do see big, like double top formations forming, and as you can tell right here, we've seen like high, higher high, higher high, higher high. This is the first time that it developed a lower high.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe it could start breaking down again. And if it does, then wow,
Right.
room for a ride. So how long have we been checking out odd USD and odd CAD pairs?
I
Not
want
long
to say
enough.
3 weeks at least, maybe. We've been just eyeing them
Yeah.
at least.
Well, remember we were kind of talking about the stock market, how like it's low key correlating.
Yeah.
So I think that's why we have a very similar situation because the stock market is literally about to peak its all-time high. So I don't know. Maybe if the stock market tanks again, we'll see something with OddCat, and that'll be a definite confirmation for sure.
Right. And
It's insane how the stock market is just rallying like that. Like
yeah,
I still don't get
GA is looking solid, more and more solid every 15 minutes.
it.
um,
Yeah,
so yeah,
weird.
bro. GA and EA are looking nice. Like a straight up
Yeah.
snack, bro.
Indeed.
It's time to eat. So everybody, we're currently so what pairs are you in right now, Nate?
I'm in a Euro Australian dollar.
Okay, so just EA.
Yep, that's about it.
Gotcha. So my boy Nate, he's currently in Euro Australian dollar. Ultimately, our bias is that Euro is bullish over the last 2 weeks now. And then on top of that, with Australia coming out with with some unemployment news, and then also some information about retail sales and whatnot. Uh, Interest rates staying even in New Zealand and Australian area, which signifies a possible sideways movement for Australia. Um, Euro is definitely looking like the stronger of the two pairs. So we've been keeping an eye out for EA and then also GA because GBP has been bullish over the last 2 weeks as well.
Definitely.
And then I'm currently in GU and EA.
GU.
Yeah, I'm in GU. Have I showed you my draw yet? I don't think so.
I haven't been really paying attention to GU that much lately. It's been kind of boring these days, but um, what are you seeing with GA or GU?
Um, I'm looking for some more bullish momentum. We're kind of in a small range in the hourly right now. Um, so I'm still a little timid about this trade. I'm actually considering on exiting out of it because we're still in sideways movement. Usually when you're getting into a trade, for those who are watching, you want to wait till you see uh, higher lows or higher highs. So in this situation here, prices started at the tip top, then you had a lower high in comparison to this high, right? And then now we're here in this area, potentially another higher low. So I'm still a little timid about this one. And on the flip side, as you can see here, low, low, higher low, higher low, and then price took off. So that's why I'm thinking about getting out of this one. But GU overall, I mean, you and I talked about it, Nate. Shit, like we're trying to catch this bag on the USD pairs.
Sure.
So just
Yeah,
keeping it.
I think it's playing around for a while, but long term, like looking at this chart, like we could definitely. I got I got so many lines up right now, but I'm definitely bullish. This looks like a continuation flag right here, big time. The way
Great.
it's just running, and it's rejecting a lot, which tells me that we can continue to go up to the 13200 area once it starts making its true move.
Yep, that looks solid.
Yeah,
All right. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for joining the first video of Blue Cap or Global Cap FX. Uh, Stay tuned for more. I look forward to providing more content and information. Full disclosure, Nate or myself are not financial advisors. We're more so just spreading the love with the ideas that we have about the market and sharing it with you. And at the end of the day, it's your decision on whether you want to take advantage of those or just watch our pretty faces. So until next time, we will see you later.